How to lock or unlock folder in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open File Explorer. Once you do, simply head toward the folder which you want to lock or simply unlock. Now once you are here in the folder, simply right click on it or double click on it to head toward its property. So here I have simply chosen this folder. I'll right click on it and from this menu go to Prompt, go to Security and choose Administrator. Then go to Edit and Permission option, again go to Administration and in following permission option simply click on Deny. Then after click on Apply. Once you do, you will be able to lock the folders. Now if you want to unlock the same folder, simply follow the same step and toggle off all the permission in Deny. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.